will you allow me to record the session?
Already I started the recording.
Started. Fine. Okay. Okay. Got it.
Yeah. See, first of all, tell me why you are looking SAP funds management. Why you are interested in funds management, public sector management. Okay.
Okay.
Just you can give overview for that, and I will give my overview also. Okay. Just to
Okay.
tell me why are you looking SAP funds management? Why are you interested for
So,
this one?
I attend majority of the clients, pre-sale activities. So,
Mm-hmm.
some people will be asking me that we wanted to implement funds management, and few of my existing clients are already implemented funds management, and they face some day-to-day issues. So
Mm-hmm.
we generally contact some external person, and they help us on that. So
Mm-hmm.
I just wanted to learn now funds management.
Oh,
Exactly,
so
we use and how
okay.
it is different from internal order accounting, cost center accounting, project system. Like multiple things are there. So
Mm-hmm.
sometimes when I attend meetings, people keep asking me, there is a cost center budgeting, internal ordering. So what is different between all these funds management? Like multiple things are there. So sometimes people ask me. And when I attend interviews also, it would be helpful for me.
Okay. Yeah. My name is right, and I have around as 14 plus years experience in SAP,
Mm,
FICO, TRM, and funds management, and project system and investment management. I have
mm,
done the multiple implementations and rollout and support projects. Okay.
mm,
Now you can see funds management means actually here name is public sector management. What will you call public sector management? First of all, you can see and I will show just I will open system, just I will show here. What is a public sector? You can see that a live picture. Just you can go. I will explain you what is a funds management. Just you can see we can call funds management as a public sector management. Okay. Public
mm,
sector management. Under the public sector management, we have the one is a funds management government, one is a
mm,
government management, and one is a functional US federal government. Okay. These are
mm,
the main things in the funds management. Okay. In the public sector management. Now you can see why should we use funds management? Now you can
mm.
see clearly SAP funds management is a public sector management government modules in SAP, which is used to control space spending based on the approved budget. What they are saying, these funds management we will use like there are the and the listed companies and public sector companies, power distribution companies. Those companies will use. Okay, those companies will use. Why? Because there are the budget assignment in the funds management based on that budget you have to distribute it to there are these specific areas. Okay, that is the purpose we will use the funds management. You can see in the funds management budget control system like how it is, like it ensure you cannot spend more than the budget approved. For example, there are the you can see, for example, there are road construction. Okay,
Mm,
Hyderabad to Vijayawada and budget assigned around 10,000 crores. Okay,
mm,
whenever you are trying to do at the more than 10,000 crores, it will indicate your budget exceed. Like oh, there in the road construction, there are the tippers. Okay, there are the like containers. So there are the different type of the things we have, right? So in this
mm,
case, what happened? There are the different budget would be classified to based on that criteria. So based on that, it will be say like if budget is exceed, it will say like your budget is exceed for this project. Okay, like that we will get. Now first point is what is the first point? It will be used in the and the like power distribution and public and the government projects. Okay, in this case we will use the funds management. That is the first point. What is use this funds management means like you cannot spend more than budget approved. Okay, here you can see who use the funds management normally. One is government departments, one is public sector companies. Next, there are the universities and hospitals and NGOs and public sector banks. Okay, these banks and these sectors will use public sector management. Okay, so you have any doubt here? Just in the
mm.
basics overview.
No, no.
Next, you can see private companies like, and there is like a cost control purpose. Okay, there are the like construction projects. Okay, in this case also we may use the public sector management. You can see what is the fund center. Here we have the fund center, commitment item, fund. Okay, those things I will explain you. Just you can see what is
Mm,
the fund center in the public sector management. Fund
mm,
center means who is spending the money. For example, there are the road construction. Okay, there is a road construction from Hyderabad to Vijayawada. Okay, there are the tippers. Okay,
mm,
tippers are the one fund center. Like they have the specific budget. That is the purpose you will create the fund center. Who is spending the money? Okay, who is spending the money? Fund.
mm,
What is a fund? Source of the money. Who will distribute that project? Government, right? Fund
mm,
from Government of Telangana, like that. Okay, that is a fund. Now you
mm,
can see fund center organization which is responsible to use that money. Okay, means
mm,
tipper. So budget is around 1,000 crores means they are responsible to use that 1,000 crores for that project. Okay, that is
mm,
called of the fund center. So fund center represent the department units which control the budget. This is a one point. Okay, this is a
mm.
fund center. Here I will tell you, like you will understand when we will go to syllabus. Just I'm giving the overview. Okay, don't get
Okay.
any confused here. Next, you can see, just you can see there are the example also.
Mm,
Government budget for L2 department. L2 department is the okay, L2
mm,
department. What is this one? Fund. Okay, fund is the L2 department. There is a fund center like a district hospital. Example, you can take like Vijayawada. You can take the
okay.
district hospital like Nalgonda
Mm,
district hospital. This is called the fund center.
mm,
Okay, he is
mm,
responsible. L2 department is the fund. Okay,
mm,
fund is the
mm,
state government will release. But in the
mm,
fund center, who is the responsibility? The district hospital is the responsibility. That is called of the fund center. Now you
mm,
can see, now just you can see hospital will get the budget amount.
mm,
Whenever they raise a PR or PO system check this fund center budget, how much budget is assigned to that hospital, how much that budget is consumed and how much was consumed and commitmented. That things we will check at the fund center level. Okay. Now you can
okay.
see there is a one point is what is commitment item. Okay, there
Mm,
is a fund center, there is a commitment item. Now you can see this is a very interested commitment item. What is the purpose, type of the cost you are spending the money? For now I said and the fund center is a hospital, okay, district hospital. In the district hospital level, there are the doctor, there are the nurse, okay, there are we need the there is a daily activities, okay, cost.
mm,
That is the purpose. We need the commitment item. What is the purpose? Type of the
mm,
cost you are spending money in the hospital. Okay. That is
mm,
called of the like a commitment item. It will be
mm,
linked with the GL account. These things we will discuss later. Just you need to understand what is a fund center and what is a commitment item. You can understand. Okay. Here simple meaning fund center means who is spending. Fund means where is coming that money. Commitment
mm,
item means who is the spending in that hospital or in the different department. Okay, just you can see example. Hospital department buying the medical medicine for 5 lakhs. Okay, just you can take the 5 lakhs.
mm,
Hospital
mm,
department. Okay, here
mm,
fund is a state budget like hospital and the health department. Fund center
mm,
is a district hospital.
mm,
Commitment item. What is a commitment item? Medical medicine
mm,
purchase. This is called of the commitment item. How much
mm,
budget is there? 5 lakhs budget. They can utilize that 5 lakhs for that medicine. That is called of the commitment item. Here any doubt?
no.
So now you can see in the commitment item how it is classified. There is a salaries wages, there is office supplies, there is a medical purchase, there is a road maintenance, there is a construction work. In the hospital means medicine. Medicine is the one commitment item. How it will be tie up? That will be tie up with the fund center. Okay.
Mm, mm,
So this way you need to understand there is a fund center commitment item. These are the mandatory. Without these things, you cannot do funds management configuration. Okay. These
okay.
two things are very important steps in the funds management. Now you can
Mm,
see what is a fund in SAP funds management.
mm,
So source of the money. Who is the source? Health Department of Telangana. Okay. That is called
mm,
of the fund. So it tell from where is money is coming. Okay, you can clearly understand. Fund means where is coming money. Like there is a state government, there is a central government, like there is a rural bank, like there is a like a donation. So fund store the financial source of the budget. Source purpose we will create the fund. Okay. Next thing is there is a simple explanation with the you can see fund is money coming for where just a difference. Fund is money coming from source. Fund center means who will spend. Okay, simple meaning valid bank account department. Like commitment item means what purpose you money spent. Okay, you can understand. District hospital received the 1 CR from central government health. This is called what is the this is the fund. Okay, fund is central government. Fund center is this hospital. Okay, district hospital. Commitment item is a medical purchase. Now you understand three steps. What these three are different?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, money is available fund and fund center is commitment item. This is a formula we will use later. Next, there are the one more step is budget control system in the funds management. Okay, budget control system in SAP funds management. SAP will stop or block any expenditure. It is exceed the approved budget. There is a health department. They released only 10,000 crores and district hospital received 1,000 crores. In the 1,000 crores you have to utilize more than 1,000 crores you utilized, you will get that you will get the error already funds exceed. Okay, that is called of the budget control system. We have to do configuration budget control system. Okay, next you can see it makes the such a department can spend only within the sanction limit. Next, a simple understanding like government and public sector units yearly budget. Like yearly budget, there is budget available? Yes. If a budget exceed, you will get the like indicator that budget is exceed. That things we will do and the budget control system. Just you can see example, fund center is a district and commitment title is a medicine. Fund is state budget is 2025. Approved budget is 50 lakhs. Use creation PO per medicine 55 lakhs. What will say? Our budget is only 50 lakhs, but budget is exceed to 5 lakhs. Here you will get budget exceed SAP funds management give error and block. How will you get this error? Based on the budget control system configuration. Okay, budget control system configuration. Next to there is the what is the available control in SAP funds management. Okay, what is the available control is? Here you can see technically functional inside which does the budget checking. How you are getting that error? There are the availability control. What is availability control? You will get if you get the 90% limit, you cross the 90% limit, you need to get error or warning message. That setting you will do availability control level. How much budget is available, how much budget is consumed, whether new posting is within the limit or exceed. How will you say? Based on the availability control. If you cross that budget, you will get the error. Okay. Next point is derivation rule. This is the most important head in the funds management. Here you will set that fund center to GL account and there is a cost center to fund center. There is a WBS element to cost center or fund center. These steps we will do in the derivation rule. Okay. In the derivation rule, based on the derivation rule only, you can post the transaction. When you are posting the transaction, it will check that budget, availability budget. Okay, based on that, you can post the transaction. I will show you in the system. Just you can see, just you can remember, this is also very important. Without this one, you cannot post any transaction in system. Okay. Next, hello.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, there is a multi-year budget in SAP Funds Management. What is a multi-year budget? This is also one chapter. Here you can see budget which is not limited only one fiscal year, but it is valid, can be used across the multiple accounting years. For example, government budget approved year to year, but some projects may be 2 years or 3 years or 5 years. In this case, we need the budget allocation per multi-year budget level. You can see government approved 150 crores for metro rail project for 3 years. Okay. See, this project is very big, right? within the
Mm.
1 year it may not be completed. In this case, what happened? Instead of the splitting budget year wise, there is a automatically period budget, multi-year budget. Okay, 25 multi-year, 26 multi-year, 27 multi-year. Automatically you will spend for 3 years purpose. That 150 crores. Here you can see that case, road construction, bridges, IT infra, this is project you can do within the 3 years. Okay, doesn't ask for that budget until 150 crores crossed. Okay,
Mm.
that is the purpose you have to use the multi-year budget. Next to there is other chapter is grant management. What is the grant management? Normally used for solution donations or funding program received from external agency. You know, right? What are the grants? Donation, do you know? Huh? Donations, do you know?
One second.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Yeah. Now you can see grant management. Do you know donations like we have international and NGOs and World Bank, UN
Mm.
agency,
Mm.
research foundation. So that is
Mm.
the purpose we will do grant management configuration also. Here you can see who give the money like a grant. Who is giving like that is World Bank either like and there is a NGOs or UN NGOs. So like these are the like like grant, right? Grants they
Mm.
will like donate certain amount for like different countries. Okay, so that is the purpose we will do configuration for grant management. Here you can see now you are going to cover the what are the topics we will cover in
Mm.
SAP Funds Management. Just you can
Mm.
see we will take in the public sector overview. Second
Mm.
concept is why and how to create the fund and fund center commitment item. What is the functional area? What is the budget structure? What is a posting address? We will discuss in the second chapter. What is the
Okay.
third chapter is there is annual and budget supplementary and budget version, budget periods and budget entry. There is a releasing budget, budget transfer and rollovers. Okay, these topics we will cover in the chapter
Mm.
3. Chapter
Okay.
4, we will control budget control system. What is a budget control system? What is available to control? What is a tolerance profile? What is a ledger concept? We will discuss. What is the payment and what is commitment budget? We will discuss. Next, there
Mm.
is integration with FI. Okay,
Mm.
MM integration, FI
Mm.
integration, and
Mm.
there is a PS integration also we can do. We can do SD integration also we can do. Okay, this is the
Mm.
integration point we will discuss in the chapter 5. After that, we will discuss about the derivation. Okay, this is
Mm.
important. Without derivation, you cannot post any transaction in the funds management. Derivation
Mm.
rule level, we will discuss what is the derivation, how source bill and what should be target bill, what is the rules and validation substitution. We will discuss in the chapter 6. Seventh
Mm.
chapter, we will discuss what is the budget, what is the commitment, what is the actual posting, what are the
Mm.
reports we will use in the and the seventh chapter. We will discuss. Okay. Next to
Okay.
eighth chapters, what will you discuss? Advanced
Mm.
topics, multi-year budget, grant management integration, like funds
Mm.
reserving, funds block. These things we will discuss in advanced topic, like multi-year budget is a we will use in the rare case. Okay, but
Mm.
in the we will discuss this topic also. Like chapter, we will discuss end-to-end business process scenario, like how to upload budget, how to get that errors, how to like tolerance limit setting. These things
Mm.
we will do end-to-end business process configuration and postings in the ninth
Mm.
chapter. Tenth chapter is like like how to create it, like step by step, like how to create the fund center, how to create
Mm.
the commitment item, like what is the purpose you are creating. Those things we will discuss chapter 10. So these are the syllabus we will cover in the funds management. Okay,
Mm.
we'll cover in the funds management. If you have any doubt, you can ask now. I will explain you.
So I just wanted to understand what is the basic difference between cost center budgeting, internal order budgeting, and
Hmm.
we have project system. How
Correct.
different it is from funds management? Because
See,
cost center also we can track budget. It will help in
correct.
controlling, and internal order also
Yes.
we can do. So what, why exactly, how it is
See,
different from this?
I'd say it's clearly it is a like big projects like government departments and PSU companies, universities. Okay, like that
Oh,
we are using. What is the purpose? You cannot spend more than budget approved. For example, there is a 10,000 crores. You can utilize only that 10,000 crores amount within the period. Okay, we can
oh,
use. But in the cost center, often, for example, there is, for example, 2025, there is a budget is 1,000 crores. Okay. 1,000
oh,
crores per cost center level. You updated. You
oh,
can use like actuals, plant cost, those things you can utilize. But in
oh,
the fund center level, what happened? How much you spent on that particular production? Okay, like there is a road construction, government department. How much used? Okay, PSC companies, how much used? Like base, it is a stopping. Like if your budget is crossing, it will be stopped. After that, you will realize, okay, this money was and exceed. Okay, you already
oh,
we have used utilized 150 crores. Those things we will check at the concept level. But internal order, what is the internal order? Temporary purpose. Temporary means any event happen. Okay, you have to
oh,
distribute that budget to specific cost center or WBS element level. You
oh,
will do settle,
oh,
right?
oh,
But here in the funds management level, you no need to settle it.
oh,
No need to settle. Okay, that is the purpose we will use. Like, oh, this is simple. Like, oh,
oh,
there is a budget approved. Based on that, you can post it. Okay, so this is used for public sector management purpose. Government departments like big and public sector banks like that they will use like there is a like in the public sector level there are the like budget approval, then there is a fund center and commitment item you will trigger in the funds management.
oh, oh, oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
that is a purpose. So in the cost center and that costing purpose, only cost center it will check the costing purpose. But
Oh, oh,
here, what will you do? You will check in the fund center level and commitment item level. How much is crossed and how much budget is available. Those things you will check in the funds management level.
yeah. Fine, sir. I understood now.
Yeah.
Clear cut idea. So when we have decided to for these sessions, at what timing, sir?